But let's switch to GPT-4. And I want to see if it can write like a rap in my language. Okay, let's see. Write a short rap song in the Luganda language. Let's see how well it does. Let's go here. All right, verse 1. Ekitundu cha First of all, seeing Luganda on the screen from ChatGPT in itself is hilarious. All right, let me see if it actually is saying the right things. Okay, ekitundu kya kwanjula nze ChatGPT ndi musomesa wa luli mu bitundu bya Lugaflow nga nze omubaka ennono za Luganda gye nenvudde ku beat. Big day, guys. So ChatGPT 4 is finally out, and the first thing that came to mind for me was finally test it, see what is new in it, right? I'm going to be talking about it. And so here, if you go to chat.openai.com and you log in, so actually, by guys, this is not just for, it's not free, at least for now. It's you have to pay a monthly fee. And so I went ahead and registered. And once you log in, you're going to see the different models. So the default one is 3.5. And then you have GPT 3.5, the legacy version. And then you also have GPT-4. So we're going to switch to GPT-4. So I wanted to test it to see how well it was doing compared to other tests that I've done. So this story was written by ChatGPT, right? And when I look at this, one of the features they're talking about is its ability to be concise. Its conciseness is way better than this one. You can see how concise the level is, like a 1 compared to a 4 over here out of 5, even compared to the default one. So I definitely wanted to see this. And then the reasoning, right? It's saying it's 5 out of 5 compared to 3 out of 5 compared to 3 out of 5, right? And then the speed, again, the speed is a little bit slower, maybe because of the processing time and power that's required compared to that and that. So the default one seems to be really fast, 5 out of 5 on the speed selector right here. So let's see how well it does. So I've used it to create jokes like this meta-human right here. And I was able to write this story, and you can see some of the results over here. So I really wanted to go through and update you guys. Like every time I find something really cool, I want to test it. Okay. So first I'm going to ask you to write a short rap, and maybe in the style of, Drake. Okay. Write a short rap song in the style of Drake. Let's see how fast he does. So here goes. I'm just Drizzy holding it down. Yeah. No one can take away my crown. Yeah. I am making moves. I am breaking through. I am the rise. What about you? Started from the bottom. Now we here. From the cold north, we reaping no fear. Money coming in like I'm chasing checks, cashing checks. Never gonna lose. I'm the king of bets. I got my city on my back. 416 Toronto love. I'll never leave the mix. I am on the grind, making history. All these haters just fueling my mystery. Okay, obviously I don't sound like Drake, but you guys who are familiar with Drake, this is what ChatGPT 4 is able to do. So I don't know if it's exactly, concise, like they say, 4 out of 5, but this is what it was able to write. Let's just stop it. It's just going crazy. Okay. And let me create a new chat. And then I wanted to see, so I was curious if it would actually write in my language. I am from Uganda in East Africa, and I'm very curious if this is the new model, right? This ChatGPT. Oh, actually, it was using ChatGPT 4. So I don't know why it switched to that. That's interesting. So when you do a new chat, it looks like you have to again switch the model that you're going to use, because that was when I was doing the other chat, and actually the history is not yet showing. So hopefully they fix that as well. But let's switch to GPT-4. And I want to see if it can write like a rap in my language. Okay, let's see. Write a short rap song in the Luganda language. Let's see how well it does. Let's go here. All right, verse 1. Ekitundu cha First of all, seeing Luganda on the screen from ChatGPT in itself is hilarious. All right, let me see if it actually is saying the right things. Okay, ekitundu kya kwanjula nze ChatGPT ndi musomesa wa luli mu bitundu bya Lugaflow nga nze omubaka ennono za Luganda gye nvudde nenvudde ku beat tujja kugibwa tugenda mu Luganda mu biti nze omu rapper wa Uganda tugenda mu city. Why isn't it writing it in Luganda? Tusinze emikono ennono mu Luganda mu kintu kino kyaffe tugenda mu lwakuba nga muli mu maaso kyempulira mu mutwe ndikuba enjogera. Actually, this is not good. This is not good. Luganda rap kyaffe kyakwanjula tusinze emikono tujja kugibwa nga nze ChatGPT nyamba mu Lugaflow kigenda mu kintu kino tugende kuba. So in the previous model, right, it would add the interpretation in Luganda. So this one is not adding it, but Luganda is horrible. It's not even, it's picking words and then just putting things together, right? Let me try a new one. Let me just have a conversation in Luganda, and let's switch again to ChatGPT 4. And let's say, write a short story in the Luganda language. Okay, let's see what it does. Omukago gwe nalongo ne sempala. Okay, wait. In my language, when you say omukago, it's omukago gwa nalongo ne sempala, not omukago gwe nalongo ne sempala. So already the grammar is wrong. So omuliro ogwaliwo ennyo mu maka ga Naalongo. Naalongo yali mu nnyumba yenteze nga Sempala omukozi we akukola. Naalongo yali akulwana nnyo kubanga ente zaazadde ziweddewo n'omuliro. Naye oluvannyuma lw'okukubira Naalongo ne Sempala baakubye ku kisa. Oh my gosh, this is bad. So clearly ChatGPT is not yet up to par with the Luganda language. It's trying, and I don't know where it's actually drawing this information from. If it has been trained on like people who are speaking Luganda, or if it has like a dictionary it's drawing from, but clearly the database that it's drawing from is not proper grammar, like proper Luganda grammar. This is just not right. Okay, so let's stop generating. Let me do a new chat. Let me ask you just simple terms. Okay, what do you call a mother in the Luganda language? Okay, in the Luganda language, a mother is called mama or mami. All right, let's see. Can you write a greeting to a mother in the Luganda language? Okay. Yes, I can write a greeting to a mother in the Luganda language. A common greeting in Luganda for a mother is wabula bulungi. No, that is incorrect. It's just not the right way to say it. Wabula bulungi mama, which means hello mother, how are you? No way. So when you say hello mother, mama oliotya, right? That is the correct way to say, oh, mama chikati. Well, you don't even want to say mama chikati because that's actually improper. Osibyo tano nyabo, right? Wasibyo tano mama. Owulira mama. Those are the terms that you would actually expect. So it's ChatGPT is wrong in this because in the Luganda language, that's not how you say wabula bulungi mama. It means hello mother, how are you? So clearly, ChatGPT still has a long way to go in understanding cultural, like context in terms of languages, probably. At least I'm testing this with my language, which is Luganda from Uganda, and it's not doing a great job. I tried to write a poem, write a rap song in it, but it didn't do a good job. So guys, I'm looking forward to the other, like what other features ChatGPT 4 is going to have. But currently, it says this is our most advanced model available to Plus subscribers. GPT-4 excels at tasks that require advanced reasoning, complex instruction, understanding, and more creativity. But guess what? It's not doing it in different languages. So it does well in English, right? But it so far it's not doing a good job in my language at least. So I wanted to see, actually, let me I'm curious what other like DID, for example, right? I'm curious if I write that sentence, the one in Luganda, and if DID, the AI here, would actually be able to read it. I'm very, very curious. All right, let's type, let's say, write a short poem in the Luganda language. And then we're going to copy the poem and take it over to DID and say, so, nkulinze nga nkusaba, n'oyagala okwagala, nkulinze nga nkusaba, n'okweguka okunyumya. I wait for you as I ask, for your love that's unsurpassed. I wait for you as I plead to wake up and smile at me. Okay. So, see the difference here, guys? This is ChatGPT 3.5, and you can see the difference. So, let me try again. In ChatGPT 4, let's switch to the model to ChatGPT 4 and see the result. Okay. Omugaso gw'omukwano is, I think that's the title. Mukwano gwange gw'eggulu, nze nkusinga ebiro n'ebisulo, emitima gyaffe ku byalo, nnyo mukwano gwa bawanguzi, amazzi ag'olwazi lwaffe. Let's see if it adds the interpretation too. So it did not. So that's the difference between ChatGPT 4 and ChatGPT 3.5 is that you get the translation here, you're not getting it. So let's try this. Let's copy this and take it to DID. And let's see if it will actually read this. Let me play this back and listen.
Omugeso GW Omukwano. Mukwano gwand Gugulu. Enzkuzinga Ebero Enabisulo.
Nah.
Emataya Majayaf Kubyalo. Nayo Mukwano Gwabuwanguzi. Amatsi Agial Wazi Lwaf. Kunayanja Yamoyo Gwaf.
Yeah.
Emikono Jayaf Kigamumi. Tulans Mukwano Gwaf. Edabuzi Elwayo Kukyala.
All right, so clearly even the audio is having trouble, and let me see, I can try like a friendly, let's try hopeful, and let's hear it.
Omugeso GW Omaquano.
GW.
Maquano Guanj Gulu. Anznkyu.
All right, let's generate the video. I hope it doesn't take long. I just wanted to show you, and it's going to be 4 units, which is, I guess it's worth it. Let's see like how long it takes. Okay. Meanwhile, let's go back over here. And I mean, my point to this is that if this is truly their most advanced model to date, clearly it has some issues. And as you can tell, in over here in DID, we are still having issues as well in terms of the audio. So I'm looking forward to when, like, I know if I were to use English, I know it's gonna read the English properly. But my test was, this is supposed to be a really advanced model, but clearly it still has some things that it needs to work out. So if I want to create like a short film, it's in my language. Clearly, I don't think I'll be able to do it. So I have to rely on someone who's really well versed in the Luganda language to write for me like a poem or a short story, and also to write it in the proper way. And also with okay, let's see what it looks like.
Omugeso GW Omaquano. Maquano Guanj Gulu. Anznkuzingda Ebero Enabisialo. Ematayama Jayaf Kubyalo. Nayo Maquano Guabuanguzi. Amatsi Agialwazi Lwef.
So I must say,
Kunayanja Yamoyo Gwef.
Yeah, even though the words are wrong, at least DID does an awesome job of making sure the lips are matching to that. So that is impressive in terms of the facial animation and the lip sync of it. So I think the failing again is the audio part of it, being able to, for the AI, the artificial intelligence, to be able to read the words properly. So I don't know how soon this is going to happen, but I imagine these models are going to keep evolving and getting better. But in the meantime, voice actors are needed that can speak like local languages very well. Okay, so here. So thank you guys, for joining me today. And today we're looking at ChatGPT 4 and testing out to see if it could actually speak my language and write it. But clearly it has issues. And the speed was actually, I don't know, it says speed is 2 out of 5, but it seems to work pretty well, right? So thank you again. See you next time, and I'll continue to share more tests with using AI just to see how well we can use it in our storytelling aspect of it. And I think we as humans still this technology still needs our input until it gets better. Clearly there are some issues that the models need to be trained better in terms of our language, and that's where the humans still need to be part of the equation. So maybe they will evolve and get better at it, but let's have fun while we're at it and continue to see how well this does. Thank you so much, guys. See you next time. Bye for now. And if you're new to my channel, do please spare a minute to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're alerted when I post a new video. All right, bye for now.